Ladies and gentlemen, I know you expect me to come up here and say it's a privilege to be in front of you, but actually it's your privilege, because what you're about to see, I mean, it should have been presented before the American Medical Association or the Journal of Science or the American Bartenders Association, but they all rejected us. So it's you. What we're about to present to you is not just a cocktail. No, it's much more than that. What you're about to see. What you're about to see is 1 part medical mystery, 1 part scientific breakthrough, and 3 parts really cool shit. All right? I can say that, right? The mayor of LA says it, so I can say it. Okay. Now, Mr. Brent Matschke came to us some months ago.
Count from 103 back.
He was an absolute mess.
97.
He had consumed so much alcohol in his life.
Why am I not under? This poor man had consumed so much alcohol through no fault of his own, of himself, over the years, that his body was in shutdown mode. He was dead as a doornail when he came to Surgery Mart. And we dedicated ourselves to finding a cure. We did not find a cure for this man. What we did find was something much more breathtaking. Because I cannot explain this, whether it's genetics or science. I'll say it again. Whether it's genetics or science. Genetics.
They're the same thing. Okay. Whether it's genetics or science, I cannot say. But I'm going to tell you now that you are looking at the first human still. No, I'm not. Because this man's body, for some reason, has begun to synthesize its own alcohol.
You see, they like it.
I know you don't believe it. That's why we're here, to show you how it works. Yes, we will synthesize a cocktail from this man right here, today in front of you. All right?
No needle.
Yeah, okay. No needle. No. Very good. Now, ready? Are we ready? Everything's going to be fine. We've done this many times before, remember? Okay. Yes, remember colonoscopy? Yeah, no. The colonoscopy comes later. You're a good man. Okay. Ready? Are you ready? Okay. This first fluid is very interesting. It has a beautiful yellow sheen. Tommy, we good? It has a wonderful yellow sheen like sunshine. I don't really know some more. Yeah.
No, just a little more.
Okay. That's good.
Great. You did great.
Not quite sure where it comes from, but it's magical stuff. Wait till you taste it. This, I call this the nether region, and this fluid. It's all right. This is the pain-free one. No. This is the blood one. Okay.
It was beautiful. That was great. You did great. You did great. No, shh. You did great. Remember, this is all for science. All for science. It's going to be a great cocktail. You're going to love this. Great. It's just, oh, yeah, all for science. Okay. All right. The next one. Oh, yeah, over here. Shift a little bit. This next liqueur is not for the faint-hearted. No. Yeah, it's all right.
Worse.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like Kahlua Brown.
Remember that.
Do it!
Okay.
What the hell is it?
Tom, would you insert it to the cocktail? And that should do it, right, Tom?
We need the,
that's
the chocolate.
You need the fourth ingredient?
Yeah. Here, I remember.
Yeah.
No, we said no.
Yeah. It'll be fine. It's just one time. Just one time, okay? Okay. And really, this is the last time. The last time, Mr. Matchkey. Think of the breakthrough for science.
Avert your eyes.
Yeah. It's for science. It really is for science.
Killing me.
It'll be fine, Mr. Matchkey. Don't worry. Are we going? Ready? Remember how we talked about? Remember we talked about? Remember what we talked about? Okay, remember what we talked about? Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. We got it. We're all right. We're all right. We're all right. Okay. Remember? Okay. We talked about this. We talked about this, Mr. Matchkey. Remember, imagination is a very powerful. Imagination is a very powerful thing. Think. Close your eyes, and imagine.
Volunteer.
All right, Karen, do it. It'll be fine. One last time.
You are a small man, and you don't deserve to look at me. Don't look at me. Turn away from me. Turn away from me, you small little man. You have nothing. You have nothing. No, don't touch me. Do not touch me. You don't touch me until I tell you to touch me. No, I tell you to touch me.
That's it. It's doing great.
No, look away. Look away at me.
You've been very bad. You've been very bad. You're very bad.
Kiss my boot. Kiss my boot. Kiss my boot up there. Look at that. Look at my butt. Look at that. There you go.
They're milking it.
Okay. Very good. Very good.
All right.
Sorry, that was a little rough, that last one on Mr. Matchkey. But he's been through it 15 times before. I'm sure this will be okay. You just sleep. You sleep. You sleep. And now, ladies and gentlemen.
There's a drink?
There is very much a drink. Is there a drink? But what is this about? All right. Tom, the bartender, is mixing. Tom, you he's pouring the motor ice right now. Listen to it. Listen to it tinkle. Beautiful. Beautiful. And knowing the origin is what makes this cocktail so sublime. That it came from the first, really, the human still. You know what I'm talking about, human still? You could have helped me. You could really help earlier if you would have come in. You would have done it. Okay. Yeah. Will you help me? Okay, come on. Yep, good. There you go. Now, we thought about calling it the Gland Hatton, but no. You try it. No, we considered the BFD, the body fluid daiquiri, but no. This cocktail, judges, I introduce you to the organ grinder. Please enjoy.
Cheers, guys.
Hey.
Picture!
Oh, it's a good job. Yeah.
Scary as it
Photo op.
Yeah, photo op.
We'll come to you.
We'll come to you.
We'll come to you.
All right.